There they are. We're going to let them out of the box today, okay, Freya? Don't bite me, please. I'm going to move them back, okay? Alright. Time for them to come out of the box. Did I make the door big enough? Okay, kitties. Hi. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. You gonna come out? You can come out of the box? Here's Mama. You guys coming out? Hi. Hello. Hello. See kitty kitties. Those your babies. Those your babies for you. Don't mess with my camera. Who's your babies? They're there. They're there. Get off my camera. Get off my camera. Thank you. Good girl. Meow. Meow. Who's the kitty kitty? What are you doing, Earth? Meow. Who's that? You're not gonna bite me, are you? Hi. You coming out? Hey, kitty. Hey, kitties.
So you've got a bunch of constituencies that are traditionally much more heavily towards Republicans who are behind.
Hi, kitties.
So
you gonna come out of the box?
Looking for an excuse not to do things, they can always find it.
You gonna come out? Lay down. Good girl. Is that your baby? There's one. There two.
The legal immigration system works the way it's supposed to. That would go after employers who are
there's three.
Doing the wrong thing when it comes to hiring undocumented workers. Allow folks who abuse it, they get right with the law and pay a fine, learn English, and
who's
get
that?
back in line. But,
who's that? Who's that?
Join
who's that?
Our American community.
Who's that?
That makes sense. Generally looking for an excuse not to do it.
Are your babies out? Looking around? Yeah.
Am I going to have to do some work to rebuild confidence around some of our initiatives?
Who that? Who's that?
Things that go right,
Who's that?
you guys aren't going right about.
They're out of the box for the first time. It's Thursday. They're 4 weeks old. Or 3 weeks, I think. I forget.
We're going to get this.
All right.
All right. Thank you, everybody.